Hi guys, I'm Sushmita from Miss Pink Shoes and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about some odor hacks. Now, odor is one of the biggest problems that a lot of us face, especially during summers, and it can get really embarrassing. So I have some hacks for you guys that'll help you stay odor free this summer. So let's get started with it. So the first hack is using a deodorant. Now, spray-on deodorants and perfumes are the most common method that most of us use to stay away from odor, but I would recommend using a roll-on deodorant because they last much longer and they help in keeping your underarms really fresh. My favorite one is the Nivea Whitening Smooth Silk Skin Deodorant. So I have been using this for quite some time. This is my third bottle and I have absolutely been loving it because it really stays on my underarms for the entire day and I feel super fresh. So I would highly recommend using a roll-on deo for your underarms. The next hack is a DIY deodorant for which you need baking soda, coconut oil and cornstarch. Now, baking soda and cornstarch will really help in preventing you from sweating further and absorbing the existing sweat, and coconut oil is the best antibacterial and it helps in smoothing your underarms. So what you have to do is take equal parts of all the three in a jar or a bowl or however you'd like storing it, and mix it until it forms a smooth paste-like consistency. This paste will easily dissolve in your skin. It will be slightly oily, but trust me, that won't make you sweat more. In fact, that will really help in nourishing and keeping your underarms really soft. I've been using this for I think the last 1.5 weeks and it's worked really well for me. So I highly recommend using a deodorant like this one. The next two hacks involve the usage of baby powder. Now, I've made a separate video on how you can use this to avoid oil in your hair. I'll link it in the description box below. Baby powder can act as the perfect deodorant for your shoes. All you have to do is sprinkle some in your shoes and let it sit overnight, and next morning you'll have some really fresh smelling shoes. You can also use baby powder in your underarms. This will help in keeping your underarms matte and dry. Although this is not the most long-lasting hack, I like using this when I'm stepping out for a couple of hours so that my underarms stay completely matte. Tea bags can also help in keeping smell away from your shoes. So all you have to do is place tea bags in your shoes and let them sit overnight, and next morning you'll have some really fresh and amazing feeling shoes. You can also place tea bags all over your shoe cupboard so that your shoe cupboard stays stink free and you have fresh smelling shoes the next time you use them. So the next hack is using a lemon. All you have to do is cut a lemon into 2 pieces and rub it on your underarms before you step out. This will help in killing the existing bacteria and it will also prevent further bacteria from growing, so you're not gonna smell bad. You can also take some lemon juice and pour it in your bathing water. This will help in cleaning your entire body and keeping it germ free. The next hack is for bad smelling clothes. Now, all of us love reusing our jeans again and again until they die, but we can't because they start smelling bad. So all you have to do is take your jeans in a Ziploc like so and place it in your freezer overnight. The low temperature will help in killing all the bacteria, and don't worry, your freezer is not gonna smell bad. So you can do this when you have this urgent thing the next morning and you wore your favorite jeans today, or if you have a sudden sleepover plan and you don't have extra clothes, you can just pop your clothes in a freezer and your clothes will stay odor free the next day. The last hack is for bad smelling hair. Now, a lot of us don't realize it, but our sweat can make our hair smell really bad and can bring down our entire appearance. So all you have to do is take a body mist or any other non-alcoholic perfume or deo and spray some on your hand and just crunch it in your hair. So this will really help your hair smell amazing the entire day. If you use any alcoholic perfume or deos, they will make your hair dry. So stay away from those and you're good to go. So I hope you guys liked that video and found it useful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends so that they can also make use out of it. I would love to know which your favorite hack was. So comment those and let me know. And also, if you have any other hacks, comment that as well so that I and others can make use out of it. If you would like to see a tutorial on this makeup look, then do comment that as well. I will see you in my next video. Bye!